Good morning students, this is your English written work. Today we will start new topic, sound of OA. Sound of OA. Now first is BOARD, board. BOARD, board. Next is LOAD, load. LOAD, load. GOAL, goal. GOAL, goal. COAT, coat. COAT, coat. ROAD, road. ROAD, road. ROAST, roast. ROAST, roast. GOAT, goat. GOAT, goat. BOAT, boat. BOAT, boat. Now same as this side, right? Like this, see. BOARD, board. Next is load. LOAD, load. Next goal. GOAL, goal. Next is coat. COAT, coat. Next is road. ROAD, road. Next is roast. ROAST, roast. Next is goat. GOAT, goat. Next is boat. BOAT, boat. Now same as